Hello watcher and subscriber, this tutorial is going to be very useful for you because many teachers they are making a Google form and they are taking the exam of the student, but the evaluation process is quite difficult because sometime what happen, you cannot send quiz to the student particularly for conducting term exam or FA exam. So in that case what happen, we need to send Google form link to the student appear the exam, and then after that it's a time for the teacher to check the paper. That is very time consuming process. So here we discuss how the teacher will check the paper and how they will check the paper as early as possible, because the teacher job is very difficult. They have to do many works. They have to do subject preparation, they have to check copies, they have to check you can say nowadays online papers also, online homework also. So their paper should be checked as early as possible. For doing this I am telling some tricks. So I assume you have already conducted the exam. Now it's a time to check the paper. So here I have already conducted a student exam. So these are some forms. So I am opening one form. This is the Google form for the 8th standard student. So traditional way for checking the paper is first, once your exam is over, then you have to click on response straight away, and accepting response should be off, so that other than after some time no one will appear your exam. Okay, then after that green symbol is there you have to click and simply click on create option. Same procedure is there if you are doing the same thing from your mobile also. Then this file will download. Okay, and if you want to save in your desktop, just click on file and download option. Here it's a download, so that and here you select the Excel format, and once you select this file will be downloaded. You see it is downloaded in my device. So from there also you can check, or directly you can check it online. Okay, but it is very time consuming process. You have to check one student answer. Okay, if suppose 50 questions are there, it will take more time. So I will tell you one easy trick so that your paper will be checked and you don't have the tension of assessment. Okay, so this is our Google form, and these are the questions. And here for checking, as you know, we have to click on the response, and here in the response one option is very important, that is the individual. So in that individual option you can check, at least your data will be filtered here student wise. So here what happen, you can check the paper. So means you will be able to see the student name, you will be able to see the question, you will be able to see the answer. Then in this way you can check the paper. So in that individual option what happen, you can check the paper easily, means the data will be filtered student wise. And I'm telling you now one more option you will not get in the other YouTube video. So that option is that first you have to go into the question side. So these are the question, and you have to convert into the quiz format. Once your exam is over, you have to do. Before exam, means before sending the links to the student, should not do. Otherwise student will get to know their result immediately and they will share answer to other. So once the student exam is over, you have to convert into the quiz. So how to do that? Just click on the setting option, select the quiz option, and here I have already make it in quiz. So once you click on the quiz option, initially it will be off, so you have to do it on. Only this much thing you have to do, rest of the things will be same. And in the presentation, if you want progress bar, you can make it on, and show link to submit another response, that also you can make it on. Then here in the general option there is a limit to one response. It is better if you don't on it because sometime because of the net problem, student they want to appear exam for the next time. So you have to, it is better if you don't select this. Then finally you click on the save option, Once it is saved, and you have to apply answer to the each question, that is very important. So how to apply answer? Just you click here, there is a answer key, you have to click there. In the answer key, whichever the answer you feel, so whichever the answer that you feel that is the correct answer, there you have to click it. Okay, so suppose here I want to select true option, and here these are the point. So by default it will be 0. Okay, but here I have already set the quiz, so it was showing 1. So by default it will be 0. You have to set 1, 2 according to you, and then click on the select the done option. So same process you have to do it for other also. Suppose here this is the question, just you click there, downside answer key option will be appear, so you have to just click there, and here you set 1 mark, 2 mark, whatever it is, and you have to select the correct option here, correct answer, and then select the done option. But this thing will be applicable only for objective based question. You cannot do it for subjective based, because subjective based answer may be varied from one student to another. So you can do it only objective based exam, so that is the restriction. And once you have done it, then the things will be very simple. Then you have to just select the response option, and in the response, in the individual, you are directly getting the mark 7 out of 10. Then you can check the next student again, as I had already taken the response from the student. So what I'm telling you, I have already done this. Okay, I had first taken the student exam, then I applied into the quiz, set the answer, and then I got the result also. So in this way you can see the result. And one more thing is there, you can download, as I told you, you just click there and download your Excel file, and in your Excel file you will be getting your result directly. So here you can observe, you have to check the columns there carefully, and here actually it is showing here. So here one thing is sure, you are getting the score column, and it will show the result of the student. That is very important column. Once you open in the Excel file, you have to check that column. So there is no need to check the student paper, but you have to keep in mind, and in that lockdown session you have to set as far as possible objective base paper. You have to set paper objective base, so that if you do like this, there is no need to check student paper, and you can immediately show result to the student. You can apply this in FA exam or term wise exam, and it is better you have to take objective based exam. Okay, but if you are setting subjective based paper, then this thing will not be eligible for that. So I hope, dear teacher, you understood this trick. Thanks for watching. Thank you.